Hi friends, I'm making a flower painting in one stroke style using acrylic paints, and I'm using a regular printer paper for this experiment, and you could use the same technique in canvas or acrylic pad. And the color I'm using is ultramarine blue. You could use any brand, but just letting you know it's ultramarine blue that I used. And I also used white acrylic paint, and let me see what other colors we need. And we need yellow, the regular primary yellow. I like to keep all the colors in the beginning itself before starting the painting, so it will be easy for us to just use it during the printing process. And I think I may need another color, which is light green and also dark green. I used phthalo green and yellow green. That's what I used. So first let's make the flower in one stroke style. I use this 1/4 inch flat angled brush, and I dip top portion of the brush in blue and the bottom portion of the brush in white, and I make a practice run of how these two colors work. And once it's working fine, then I'll draw it on the drawing paper or canvas. So gently press the brush with the white side on the bottom and gently make a petal shaped. First is going to be a little difficult, but once you get the hang of it, then it'll be easy. See, the first time it didn't come properly, so I had to just retouch it. And let's make another petal. Before that, I'm going to wash the brush and wipe it in a paper towel like this, because I want a clean brush. So after a couple of petals, you can wash the brush and again wipe it in the tissue paper like that. And then let's draw another petal. The same technique, gently press and bring it down. And I like to turn the paper around, because that way it's easy for me to make the petal rather than making the petal upside down on the paper. So please feel free to turn the paper around. If this is your first time watching my channel, please subscribe. I post a lot of videos every day, and I think it might be useful for you. And for me also, it gives a lot of encouragement if you guys subscribe and click the notification bell also. That way I get more motivated to make more and more videos. So gently repeat the process for all the petals like that. part. Let's make some dots using yellow paint. Oh, I forgot to mention, I dried the first layer of the flowers before I making these dots on yellow, because otherwise the paint gets mixed up. So I dried up the first layer, so it's nice and clean when we add the dots. So let us make some leaves out of this same technique. I'm using light green at the bottom and top portion dark green. Feel free to wet the brush if you want, because sometimes the paint is too dry and it won't come properly. I'll show you an example. If the brush is dry, see, this is how it will come. See, the top portion, it's not coming out correct because the brush and the paint both are dry. So I wet the brush and then lightly dampen it, and then I'm trying to make the leaf again. Now I'm trying to draw the stem. So I dipped both light and dark greens, and then I'm going to draw the stem. Keep the brush vertically down and then draw the stem like that. This stem is very thick, but if you like thin stems, you can use thin brush to draw the stem. And I hope you are enjoying my painting. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I used a Posca pen to draw the fine lines in the center of the flower, because with brush it will be a little difficult. So I'm going to draw some thin lines in the center like that.